Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to adjust this image into the laptop screen. If I insert the image and I want to adjust this image, I can't do this by using this technique. I have to insert the rectangle here. Just go to the insert and shape and select the rectangle. Now drag the rectangle and right click here and select the edit points. Now adjust this rectangle according to laptop screen. After adjusting, just right click here and go to the format shape. Here is option picture and select the file where you save this file and click insert. Now you can see the image has been adjusted according to the laptop screen. That's way you can insert any image in any screen. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.